Another volatile day of trade comes to an end here in India, with the Nifty 50 losing about 1/3%. Now, we started off in the green with the Nifty 50 breaching 18,000, but we failed to hold on to that level, losing ground within the first 2 hours of trade itself. We have lost ground now for 7 out of the 11 trading sessions so far in January. The broader markets also lost ground today, but to a lesser extent. The mid-cap index losing about 0.25% and the small-cap index ending more or less flat. Remember, for the Nifty 50, last week we ended positive and we've started off on the weak footing of this week. Volatility continues to be the name of the game. Now, looking a little deeper into the performers on the benchmark index, and you'll see that the IT companies are front and center. In fact, all of them were gaining ground. Tech Mahindra, Infosys, HCL Tech, Wipro, as well as TCS. Perhaps because the street is seeing that the demand picture that was anticipated to be very bad was not as bad as anticipated, based on the commentary that all of these companies are given. On the losing end, Adani Enterprises continues to lose ground, and you also have Axis Bank, which lost quite a bit of ground in trade today. From the sectors, I already mentioned the IT sector that was gaining in trade today. Metals was the big underperformer, losing about 1% or so. You had the Nifty Bank that lost about 0.5% or thereabouts, not too much to speak of with regard to the rest of the pack. The Nifty PSU Banking Index, however, was an outperformer, gaining about 1.5%. And from that broader basket, you have a couple of names that need to be mentioned. Adani Green was up about 10% or thereabouts because of volumes. Bank of Maharashtra gained over 4% on the back of its earnings. And on the losing end, you had Nykaa, which dropped about 5% in trade on account of a bulk deal, as well as DMart, which was down about 4.75% after Q3 earnings missed estimates.